Okay. Hey guys, let's look at this first bit here. Now, we're going to do an example 3 in just a second, but it says in example 3, you first group terms with common factors and then factor. Okay, let's think about that for a moment. Before you see anything, group the terms that have the same stuff in them so that we can pull it out. All right, well, let's look at this. In example 3, it says 2ab minus 6ac plus 3b minus 9c. Now I've got 4 terms. Let's think about our order of factoring. Remember, the first thing I'm always going to look for is there anything I can pull out? That's the first question I always ask. Is there anything common to all of these that I can pull out? Millett? No. Okay. 2. Is it a difference of 2 squares? Well, obviously it's not. Okay. Is it a trinomial? Because if it's a trinomial, then we're going to try and break it into 2 binomials, right? Is it a trinomial? No. Does it have 4 terms? In this case, yes. Factor by grouping. Now I'm going to erase this in just a moment. Okay? If you're watching it on the video, just pause it and copy it, and then hit play again, and I'll start talking. Okay? All right. Now, those are the questions that we ask ourselves when we're factoring. Let me get rid of this now. Okay? Uh-oh. Come on. Gone. Now, let's look at this. First, when I look at these two, this one and this one, I already see something that I can pull out. And I see something here that I could pull out. Well, let's leave it for the moment. Do you see that I could group these two plus that? Does that make sense? Just group those two. What goes into both of these in the first binomial? I've got a binomial plus a binomial. We know that. I mean, we can do that. We've been doing that for months now. What goes into both of these things? Ryan? 2. 2 goes into both of them. What else? A. And what am I left with inside there? B minus 3c, right? Yeah, because 2 times 3 will give me the 6. Okay, so far so good. Lauren S., what goes into both of those terms? And when I look at the second binomial? 3. Anything else? No? All right, what am I left with inside? B minus c? I don't know. I got to get 9c, don't I? 3c. Nice. Right, Ellie?
Yes.
Right, Harrison?
Yes.
Now, looking at these things, I have factored out from the pairs. What can I do from here, Jet? What do they both have in common? They both have a b minus 3c. Do you agree that I can pull that out front?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's do that. I'm going to put the b minus 3c out here. What's left inside that the b minus 3c gets multiplied by? Coolest?
2a
Plus 3. Now let's look at each one. Am I happy with the way this one's ordered?
No.
I think so. It's alphabetical, right? B and then C. Okay. What about this last one here? That's not 31. It's 2a plus 3. Is that one ordered all right? Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the order. That's my answer. We'll let that be. Oh. Okay. How's that? Make sense? We factored 4 terms now into 2 binomials. Good. Let's see what the next one's like.